Guys, today I'm going to talk to you guys about something a little bit more advanced. So this is going to be for somebody that has been in the gym for a long time. It's the muscle up, right? And I want to talk to you guys about it because we get a lot of students that see me doing the muscle ups and then they start asking me, how did you get to doing this? And they forget about the technique and all the things that go into play before you can actually even try a muscle up. So what I want to talk to you guys about is the 4 levels of the muscle up. Okay, starting with the basic pull-up all the way up to actually doing the muscle up. So if you guys are advanced enough to do it or coaching somebody through it, try to follow along with this video. I'm going to show you guys the 4 levels right now. So the first level, obviously, is just a normal pull-up. Right here, coming up, all the way down. Up, all the way down. You can get that down for pretty much no difficulty at all. The next one is a little bit harder. We're actually going to come pull up to our chest. Here and chest. Okay, so that's level 2, coming all the way up to the chest. Now let's say you can get past that point. Maybe it takes you a couple months to do it, but eventually you get past that point, those become easier and easier and easier. But level 3 is going to be actually exploding off the bar. Okay, so we're doing a plyometric pull-up. Okay, so that, we're over here, and jump. 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 Okay, so that will be level 3. If you can get through all 3 of those levels and you can engage your core the right way, be explosive enough doing that movement with the explosive pull-up, then you can try the muscle up. Okay, so I'll show you that right now. Okay, so obviously you can kind of see all the things that go into even getting to try to do a muscle up. Try it if you guys are able, okay, or if you ever want to, try those out.